How to deposit in Newton. Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Newton app, wondering how to get your hard-earned money into it? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down the process of depositing in Newton, step by step. Building context, Newton is a popular investing platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But before you can start investing, you need to fund your account. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding deposit methods. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. You'll typically need to input your bank's routing number and account number. Interac e-Transfer, Canada, a convenient and secure way to transfer funds directly from your bank account. Wire transfer, for larger deposits or international transfers. Step 2. Navigating the Newton app. Find the deposit button. It's usually located in the main menu or on your account page. Choose your deposit method. Select the option that suits your preferences. Enter deposit amount. Input the desired amount you want to transfer. Step 3. Bank transfer instructions. Provide bank details. Enter your bank's routing number and account number. Confirm information. Double-check the details to avoid errors. Initiate transfer. Follow your bank's instructions to complete the transfer. Step 4. Interac e-Transfer instructions. Generate a deposit request. Newton will provide you with an email address. Send the transfer. Use your banking app to send the transfer to the provided email. Confirm receipt. Newton will notify you once the transfer is received. Step 5. Wire transfer instructions. Obtain wire transfer details. Newton will provide you with the necessary banking information. Initiate transfer. Contact your bank to initiate the wire transfer. Provide reference information. Ensure you include the reference number provided by Newton. Step 6. Security and processing time. Security measures. Discuss Newton's security protocols to reassure viewers. Processing time. Explain the typical processing time for different deposit methods. Additional tips. Minimum deposit amounts. Mention any minimum deposit requirements. Currency conversion. If you're depositing in a different currency, explain the conversion process. Troubleshooting. Provide guidance on what to do if you encounter issues during the deposit process. Frequently asked questions. Are there any fees associated with deposits? How long does it take for a deposit to be processed? Can I deposit using a credit card? What should I do if I make a mistake during the deposit process? Conclusion. Recap the steps. Briefly summarize the key steps involved in depositing on Newton. Encourage action. Urge viewers to try depositing and start investing. Call to action. Invite viewers to subscribe for more investing tips and tutorials. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching. Now, go ahead and fund your Newton account and embark on your investing journey. Until next time.